Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for confirming. Welcome all to day 5 and the last day of FDP titled Writing and Publishing Paper in High Impact Journals. Today's session is on importance of digital presence and available e-resources for the researchers by Dr. Venkateshan. Sir is Associate Professor, Head of the Department in the Department of Management Studies, Sanskriti School of Business. He is MA Public Administration, MCom, MPhil, and MBA from Annamalai University, and he completed his PhD degree in Management Studies, specialized in finance from Bharatiyar University, Tamil Nadu. His thirst to gain masters in every field has turned him to be a versatile, innovative solution finder. He has published more than 20 articles in national and international journals listed in UGC. He has conducted various workshops, seminars, and guest lectures. He has organized 4 international conferences. He also served as a journal reviewer and editorial board member for Dhaka, Dubai, and USA accounting journals. He is authorized Urkund anti-plagiarist. His areas of interest are finance, management, and accounting. He taught diverse subjects of management like accounting, finance, financial accounting, advanced corporate finance, derivatives, and investments. He is a ratified professor by Staff Selection Committee, JNTU Anantapur. He has been appointed by the university as Chief Examiner and Evaluator for external examination and paper evaluation many times. He was also appointed as member of ICSI Company Secretaries of India Examiner for Executive Program. He was invited as chairperson for the international conferences on innovation, entrepreneurship, and economy for sustainable development in 2018 at Sri Sai Ram Institute of Management Studies, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He acted as academic audit member for Sacred Heart Institute of Management Studies, Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur, Tamil Nadu. He published 2 books, Financial Accounting for Managers and Working Capital Management. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Dr. Venkateshan to handle the session. Welcome to you, sir.
Thank you very
Over
much,
to you,
madam.
sir. Over
Thank
to
you.
Yes.
Thank you very much, madam. Good evening, one and all the participants. Very good evening. Thank you very much, madam. Today, the 5th day session, we're going to talk about information resources, importance of digital presence for a researcher. How the helpful for the researcher in digital presence? All the participants hearing my voice?
Yes, sir. It is audible.
Yes. Thank you.
Sir, can you put it in projector mode? Projector mode.
Projector.
It is in. Yeah.
Yes. Madam, now okay, madam?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Now we're going to talk about the 5th day, information resources and importance of digital presence for a researcher. How they helpful for the researcher and faculty members and postdoctoral members, how they helpful for the research in digital presence. What is the impact is there? Most probably impact on in digital presence in 100%. We won't tell there is no impact, sir. We are taken from in primary data. There is no, I'm not following only for in secondary data. I'm following for in primary data. No problem. But we are following in required for digital presence. What is the use? What is the things we are following? Most probably we are following, we're going to talk about in outline, e-resources, evaluating web sources, e-resources in public domain, management resources, impact factor, open resources, reference management softwares. This one today we're going to talk about. In recent trends in information era, many of them, the many information era is there. In website is there, in say for example, in yahoo.com is there, Google search engine is there, In a Rediff search engine is there. Many CP is there. Many website is there. Apart from that, which one is a authenticated site? That site, how we going to identify as a researcher? How we going to refer for our research? In our research in management, business management, accounting, in education, commerce, entertainment, in government-oriented healthcare, in medicine, many vital World Wide Web can create the place, accomplish the the research on many topics, but finding for the many topics in quality web materials and using them to your advantages in your writing can challenges. You can be how it will, the challenges is there. Where we going to refer? Which website will refer? This website, it is correct or not? We don't know. We say, for example, one website is there, it Money Control. Money Control website is there. Apart from that, CP Finance is there, Yahoo Finance is there, Rediff Finance is there. This authenticated website, yes, fine. But the data is authenticated. Or that in citation, that bibliography is authenticated. That reference is authenticated. We don't know. That purpose, we are going to discuss this topic in internet usage statistics. Moreover, internet usage in global wise, all the participants, all the faculty members and research scholars, students and middle-aged people, teenage people, all as a students, as a research scholar, everybody is using every time. This is a sources data. The billion, 4.72 billion they using, 60.1% they using in internet user as a percentage of total global population. The annual the changes in the number of global internet user is there. Average daily the time spent using internet by each internet user is there in per minute, per hour, per second, per day, per week, per month, per year. Every day we are using, but we are using in sourceable data or not. That is we are going to talk about today. Where we are going to refer, how we are going to gather the data in open sources. That is our main theme. In scholarly publishing, reviewed, authenticated content published in standard format is there. More or less, in a top 5 scholar publishing countries, online journal is there. In USA, UK, Netherlands, China, Germany, open access journal is there. USA, UK, Brazil, Japan, and India. And India is there. This is a scholar's journal. In interrelationship among area in the field of user studies, the more or less how we going to gather the data, this data is satisfied or not, this data how we going to utilize. Information is correct. Yes, information seeking behavior. Yes, we want to collect the data as a primary. We want to collect the data as a secondary. How we going to collect as a reviewer? Reviews is there. A number of reviews there. We going to correlate with our data, our particular problem. In that problem, earlier any researcher they did or not. We going to check. A number of people they did. How we going to they change our research? How we going to derive? How we going to give the input to our research? Then only it will come in output is 100%. Yes, I got it. I got it in good things through that this reference. In other people also, in demand upon information system, demand upon other sources, system is a failure. The information transfer. Why the system failure? It will come here in this chart. Based on that data is not authenticated data. That data, that website this year is there, next year not available. Anyway, I referred from that website only. I gathered the data, past 10 years data I gathered. I took the research. Yes, now I submitted. I awarded the degree. Yes, I written this in a research paper. Yes, I submitted. I got it in acceptance also. Now they're going to publish. Okay, fine. The next year, you're going to refer. where you are collected the data, that website it is present, is available or not? No, not available. Many of the website it is not available, really. That is purpose. Interrelationship among area in the field user studies is very, very important. The sources of information, primary sources, secondary sources, and tertiary sources, third sources. This is tertiary sources. It is relating to the images. In these images, say for example, in business line is there, economics time is there, live mint website is there, Republic TV, they showed one image is there, in NDTV profit, CNBC, in each and every site authenticated in business leading newspaper or news media, the broadcasting, they mentioned one image. That is a tertiary sources, third sources. That sources we going to use for our research. That is also authenticated sources, tertiary sources. Databases, data set and collection, books and references sources, organization and people. And forms of digital information in dissemination is there. Mail is there, group mail, broadcasting, digital narratives, PowerPoint presentation, texting, and e-portfolios, and static websites, and simulation, e-learning, blogging, and dynamic library websites. Information sources at libraries. This is we are looking for. This is authenticated data. Information sources for at libraries. E-books is there, e-journals is there, e-report is there, online database is there, full text bibliography, CD-ROM database, institutional, local digital content, and electronic thesis dissertation. Electronic thesis dissertation, ETD. And standard patterns is there, AV sources and multimedia sources is there, and website, home pages, and gateways and portal is there, full text database, scholarly publication in search engine, discussion and groups, open software, say for example, SharePoint KM software, it is available, Microsoft sources, open access, open software application, SharePoint KM software, and courseware, etc. How we going to filter the data? How we going to identify this website as it is correct data? How we going to evaluate? Evaluating web sources, it is there, authority, accuracy and coverage, objectivity and purpose, currency. It is the 4 point it will cover for all the website. Not only A website, not only B website, A to Z website in globally. It is covered for this 4 point. Authority, who authorized this website? Accuracy, is that this particular data we are referring from particular website. This website, they giving this information, we are gathering because of we are doing research. We are writing a research article. Okay, we are gathering from that website. Okay, accuracy is there. We going to check. Yes, really accuracy is there. Covered or not? So most probably they never cover. They will give only for in some objectives, some points they will give. Apart from that, they never cover because they don't know. They want to propagate the website. That's all. The main ultimate, they want to propagate. Yes, it is propagated. Everybody is accessing that website. But everybody that got the information or not? No. Nobody is getting this website from in particular information because there is no objectivity. The purpose also is unfulfilled purpose. In currency, some websites, most of the website, they are asking some particular money regarding if you what do you want as a secondary data, as a bank information, or past 10 years data want, or past 15 years data want, you have to pay. Or in steel industries in India, if you want the data, you can pay, you can get it. That is authenticated. We are thinking that we are means I'm telling. And say for example, I'm telling. So suppose as a students, they're thinking about why I'm going to pay the money in particular website, why I'm going to pay, how I'm going to get the data. from particular website. That is a realistic data, realistic website. But some fake website also is there. They're getting money, they won't give the data. Some website is there. But before we are searching the website, must be evaluated web sources is the authority. So accuracy and coverage, objectivity and purpose as a currency. In Google, a search friend, yes, really we're going to tell us is Google as a research friend, yes, more or less, because Google Scholar is there. Through the Scholar, we're going to search a number of things, a number of articles, a number of PDF material, a number of documents we're going to gather from Google search engine. In Google, in pattern search, the pattern search, Google, each Google pattern search result representing the individual pattern. Individual pattern. What are the individual pattern is there? We are going to avail from the Google search pattern search. One second. Say for example, one website is there. It is visible. All the participants, it is visible.
The slide is visible, sir. The slide showing e-resources in public domain is visible.
Madam, website is visible, madam?
No, the window is not open. I can just see the link on the slide only. Now it is visible,
madam?
Yes. Now
website
it is visible. Yes.
Yes. Thank you, madam. This website, it is very famous website. This is open search engine only. The e-books is a public domain website only. The portal by website, we going to refer the learn plus is there. In that learn plus subject, a number of subject is there: business, engineering, language, math, science, social science, and literature guides. And write is there. In that write, we going to introduce your new favorite plagiarism and grammar checker. That also is there. But before that, we're going to check the business. We're going to text ebooks because they provide the best works for fiction from the wide range of the classic authors. The general reference books like encyclopedia, directories and quotations, the verses, everything it is available for in portal by this particular website. We can avail some extent without pay. Some extent in deeply we required means we going to pay the some dollars amount. This is authenticated website, e-sources in public domain, portal by. Another website, the online book pages is there. Online book pages, what are the books? Many books it is available. This is an authenticated website. In archive and indexes is there. Inside story is there. Because inside stories are English researcher or any of the public administrator researcher or political science researcher, social science researcher, it is helpful for this particular website. Because we going to publish in magazines news or any other in particular in news, some news we going to publish. Through that, we going to able to read, we going to derive some stories, some cases also we going to derive through that. This website, it is helpful. This MIT open courseware. The MIT open courseware also, it is very excellent website because this is one of the institute website. In this institute website, we are going to gather n number of topics, n number of department, online textbooks is there, audio video lectures, and our courses is there. But main theme is we going to refer in authenticated sources. Yes, the MIT Open Learning Library. In that library, it is a number of content is there. In management courses, 15 courses, or in tracking the library, we're going to open the MIT Open Learning Library. We're going to refer many content it is available here. We'll refer through that we can learn. This MIT in e-resources in public domain. And e-books. Another e-books also is there. The e-books, ebooks.com, established in 2000. E-books in business, accounting, advertisement, a number of topic is there. Based on that, we're going to check this book. It is relating for our area, our relevant in particular problem. We can refer. We'll refer and we will implement, because this is the authenticated site, authenticated books. If these sources, this after 10 years also, this site is there. There is no problem, because in open sources, this is a public domain sources. Another one, in DOAJ, Directory of Open Access Journals, there are now 7,312 journals in the directory. The currently 3,424 journals are searchable at article level. As of today, 6,74,764 articles are included in the DOAJ services, Directory of Open Access Journal. It is many, n number of journals is there, n number of people is searched for in this particular DOAJ, the directory. We can use this directory easily. We going to gather the information from in this site. In a documentation is there, in a search article or in journals and about this relating to the in particular websites. We can see in 80 languages, 125 countries is represented, in 11,668 journals without APC, and journals 16,225 article recorded. Most probably article is recorded in billion and trillion is going on, because in every day they're counting. Every day they're counting all the fields in a title, ISSN, subject, and publisher. We can search here. And Indian Academy of Science, a science-oriented journals is there. Indian Academy of Science. In this science, we can refer. This is an authenticated site. This is a reliable science, reliable websites. The bulletin in material science, in science-oriented physics, chemistry, and biological, bioscience, and the mathematics in the Journal of Science Education. Everything is there in this site. We can refer the particular site. Another open sources in openjcat.com. Openjcat.com, we going to request for free trial access also. It is available, because due to COVID-19, all the researcher is facing problem, because we are not going for any library, because due to COVID-19. That's what they all the in authenticated in search engine, the search engine provider, they give us as a request to access free trial access, 15 days, 30 days access they giving. We're going to refer in searchable database. It is available. A number of article is there. This is a authenticated sources. Another, in a registry of open access repositories. Repositories is a number of repositories is there. This is a authenticated websites, because this is a e-sources in public domain. This is open sources only, but it is available. A new entry, create account. Through the create account, we're going to get the user ID password. Deposit activities, journals in Open Archive University, Indonesia. Many library is a joint venture for in this particular site. This site is a registry of open access repositories. Another, every researcher, everybody knows this site, Sudganga. Sudganga Info Library Net. This 100% information library net, it is available, is all the thesis, all the in synopsis, it is available here, Sudganga. All the universities also here is there. We are going to refer. We won't copy because it will occur the plagiarism. There is no doubt. We are going to just will refer. It is how they derived this particular, our relating the problem, how they derived. Based on in many universities, there A series universities, B series universities, a number of universities there. We are going to check one universities. Through university, we are going to refer particular department. Through the department, we are going to search. Say for example, Annamalai University I referred. Through the business administration, Department of Business Administration. I click the Department of Business Administration. Sometime the site was getting slow. We're going to refer here. It will come in a updated date and researcher. We can refer in a number of topic because already repository is there here in this site. All the universities is relating our topic. We're going to refer. We won't copy because we are one line, one word we are copying also. It will show the plagiarism because all the universities are said that in 30%, 12%. Now they're synchronizing everything is a nook and corner. They're checking all the pages, introduction to conclusion, because we're going to refer purpose. We're going to refer the in Sudganga. Another site is another open sources in subject launchpad. This subject launchpad, it is a very resources in public domain also. In subject gatebase, we going to call it as a, this is called as a subject gatebase. In this gatebase, n number of university, n number of subject is there. Business, economics is there, biological science is there, art and humanities is there, agriculture and forestry, environment, food sciences, horticulture is there. In the library, information science is there. This is also bubble. This is a bubble. It is a very authenticated library information science bubble. And ED web. ED also is OpenGate websites. Historical studies is there. Info law researcher is there. Internet directory and the botany is there. N number of, because this is a gateway launchpads. Another you see reverse side library, the using library. This is called as a using library. In this library also, it is a EndNote, bibliography, MedAC, n number of management and professional, and EndNote related. How we going to refer the references, where we are referred in this particular line, particular paragraph, or particular content or interpretation where we are referred. Suppose we are same thing we are kept in our thesis or article or not, we are going to able to check in this site. It is a refer for the in free sources. Another networked digital library thesis and dissertation. Networked, it is a electronic thesis and dissertation. ETD. In this ETD also, it is helpful for our research, because n number of we going to refer this site. It will take around half an hour definitely, because all the country region wise is there. Resource name and URL description. It is available or not? What is that? Some international level, some access is there in open access, some access is there in some amount. We're going to refer in Pakistan and Portugal and Spain and Sweden, Turkey, all those things is there. We're going to refer each and every sites. It is a open sources. In this is authenticated, networked digital library, thesis and dissertation. Because reference, review of literature. That time it is helpful for this type of websites. The library and choose the Canada. The Canada thesis and dissertation portal in IT acquire and preserve and comprehensive and collection and Canadian thesis at library achieve the Canada to provide the access to this valuable search within the Canada throughout the world. As of in 2018, there are approximately in 7 lakhs thesis and dissertation in macro form in library. In achieve the Canada collections, because n number of thesis also here it is available. Is search thesis in Canada. Most of the library it is using this particular website. We're going to gather the information. Any keywords, author or title keywords, subject keyword, abstract keywords, OC, LC numbers, ISBN numbers. Suppose it is available. We know about the particular book. We can't get the hard copy. We can't get the in soft copy means we gather from this particular website. We will avail. For this particular website, we'll get the data easily. Another Australian digital thesis. Australian digital thesis. The Council of Australian University Librarian is wonderful. The Canada thesis registration portal and Australia digital thesis program also. It is helpful for our references because enhance the transfer of the research information contained in thesis by providing full text version available from the desktop via the web. We're going to gather this particular website easily. Will copy to your desktop. There is no doubt because this is authenticated search engine. It is available. Another management resources. In that management resources, every participants knows. I think so. The EBSCO. We are discussing whatever discussing. Everybody knows because I'm giving in. Already we know. We going to recollect the information. Yes, this is authenticate. We go for this only. We won't go for in unauthenticated website. That purpose only we going to discuss today. EBSCO, the business sources premier in the industries, the most used business research database, providing full text for more than 2,300 journals, including full text more than 1,100 peer-reviewed titles. It is more than 1,500 peer-reviewed journals is a title. It is available. EBSCO. EBSCO Academic Library, Discovery Library Technology and Academic Research Database. We're going to refer Academic Research Database. In this Academic Research Database, it is there in a business oriented, all the title it is available here. Business Economics. Business Economics is there. In that Business Economics, many business sources, complete, elite, premier, ultimate, anything is there. Business Sources Ultimate. Business Sources Ultimate. In this Business Sources Ultimate, I am showing it because must be we refer in EBSCO one. Say for example, one research scholar is there. That scholar they're going to refer in reviews. Must be refer. My request is EBSCO. Definitely will gather n number of information from here EBSCO. In Excel is there, in journals, many lists is there. In this listing, just we going to click what are the journals is there, subject is there, other subject in HTML format, Excel format. They synchronized everything. They give us in a very simple manner. The business sources ultimate it is available. In EBSCO, the business sources in Premier only. In this EBSCO, it is, I will show you one. The business sources ultimate magazine and journals. The magazine journals, what are the magazine is available? What are the title is there? In business management, business sources ultimate only, I clicked this particular website. A number of journals is there. In this journal, through the journal, it is available. What is the year? The full text start and full text stop, full text delay, month, previewed, and PDF image, and image quick view, searchable cited reference start, and country oriented. What are the country? That journal availability is there or not? Available now. We are going to refer available now only. Because available now, availability not there. We are depending on in particular website. Madam? Madam,
sir,
please.
EBSCO and all, we have to subscribe to these journals.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Finally, I am going to tell. Because EBSCO, one of the reference sources, this one as an institution level or individual level, we are going to subscribe. But individual level is very costly. The institution level, they will subscribe. It is some discount is there based on research scholar. Because why? Because you are, say for example, one institution having in many research scholar is there. Based on that, we are going to show the authenticated information to the EBSCO in here also Bangalore or Hyderabad, Chennai, and Mumbai, Kolkata. Delhi, all the places representative is there. Please, we are going to contact. They will give the discount. But this is a realistic data, authenticated data, but individual really very costly.
Okay, sir.
But in
how
this
much,
time,
sir, it will be? Yes, sir.
Madam, in 1 lakh
organization level.
1 lakh it will come.
Okay, per year 1
lakh it will come. But
sir.
time period also 1 year or 2 years they will give. Based on, depends upon the subscription, depends upon the money. But easily, as say for example, one research scholar, they referring one title, within 3 hours, definitely gather the information from EBSCO. There is no doubt. Next day, they never refer in EBSCO. Enough, one research scholar, enough 3 hours. They will spend, they will gather the data. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, others which you have specified, Australian thesis and all,
yes,
are they also paid or they are available?
Madam, Australia thesis is open sources, madam. Open sources, but individually, please will refer the particular email. One contact mail is there, madam. We are going to send one letter, formal letter. They will give us, madam. Surely they will give.
But
trial
individuals can also apply and they will.
Yes, madam. Trial version only they will give. They won't give permanent version. As a doctorate, as a research, we having in 5 research scholar is there. Please give to me one a login ID, user password. They will give only for 15 days, only for 20 days, only for 25 days. Like that pattern is there. I'm sharing, madam. After this program, I will share in all the content. Thank you, madam. Thank you. We're going to refer EBSCO. It is availability, journal availability. Now only we're going to refer. Because availability not there means content not there. That is the meaning. Availability not there means is the content not there. We are searching in title only it is available. Once again, apart from EBSCO, Emerald is there. Emerald In this Emerald Insight, good research in management should help the world to better merge. It is very really as the world is a leading publisher of the business and management research with 250 journals is there in worldwide, the wide range of serials, the series and books management, the related fields, and we believe we have an important role in encouraging research which help the world be better managed. Definitely is Emerald. Apart from EBSCO, Emerald also it is very, very excellent search engine because it is there in open sources. I will show you one open sources. It is there in Sage because April 26 only they give to all the research scholar. They give us in open sources, open access, free access. Sage they give us. This also we are going to refer because in search by a title, author, keywords, ISBN, DOI, digital object identifier is there in advanced search. Advanced searches also is there. A number of content we are going to get through that. Emerald Insight. Next we go for JSTOR. JSTOR. This JSTOR also authenticated. This is a real authenticated because EBSCO, Emerald Insight in JSTOR. This also it is helpful for our million artwork and photograph, other visual material now on JSTOR. It is there because now they added. Previously is not available. Present it is there. In by collection, in search, advanced search is there, image search is there, by subject, by title, by collection, by publisher, and tools, workspace, and text analysis, understanding series, the data of research. The data for the research, it is there. It is very useful because not for profit service in JSTOR. Really, we are going to give the thanks to the in JSTOR because this is a not for profit service that helps for the scholars, researcher, and student discover, use, and build upon wide range of content in a trusted digital archive of over 1,000 academic journals and other scholarly content. The business is there, finance is there, in marketing is there, HR is there, strategic management is there, digital marketing is there, a number of content it is available because it is not for profit. Another site, another sources in management sources, these sources everybody knows the Science Direct from elsewhere. The Science Direct from elsewhere, the browse, the 4,411 journals and 31,182 books are available here. We're going to search, we're going to refer the abstract. We can't refer in full article. Full article we're going to refer means we're going to pay the money. That type of things is there. But abstract we're going to refer. How through the abstract we can understand how they derived that particular problem. We're going to correlate with our problem. Yes, how we going to give the in output for the in our particular research. Like that, we're going to refer. It is useful for in Science Direct. And Procost also it is there. In this Procost, it is very excellent. Procost is the resource of electronic collection that containing in a million of documents in originally published in magazine, newspaper, and journals. We can understand seriously because originally published in magazine, newspaper, and journals only it is available for Procost. In this Procost, it is there in scholarly journals is there, books is there, video, audio is there, newspaper is there, in historical newspaper, magazine, trade journals, reports, in wire feeds, in bloggings and broadcast websites, historical periodicals, in a conference, proceedings, working paper, encyclopedias, a number of content is there. Government official publication also, it is their standard practice guideline, other sources. Because as a researcher, one researcher going to start today onwards must be refer this type of website. Definitely it will come good research. There is no doubt. They automatically they will learn from this website. There is no doubt. They a number of review they will give, a number of in Scopus or Web of Science or in Thomson Reuters journals and UGC listing journals. All the journals we going to reach. There is no doubt, because we going to able to refer this type of sites. Then only it is worth. We are referring in some other things means it is unworthy. This is a worthable. ProCoast. ProCoast also not profit service. There is no profit service. We going to refer. Definitely we'll get the login. Is a free access is there. In some extent they are giving the free access. We can refer. Another one is a prose. The prose, it is relating to the prose. The prose is a IQ. The prose IQ, interactive querying systems. It is very, very reliable data in financial performance of Indian companies. And the database contain information all listed companies and larger unlisted companies. All the database, all the annual report, it is available. We are going to refer here. Download is there. Prose IQ, the version 96, built in 10th February 2021. They given in your prose in IQ. User interface querying the prose, the database financial performance of the company. We can install. Installation is free, but subscription is money. We can refer from this site. We are going to get the data, because this is a reliable data. Production data, it is available. Sales data, it is available. Consumption and raw material data, it is available. So for example, one scholar going for inventory management. Definitely we going to depend on this particular sources. Prose IQ, because they will provide. Definitely that is authenticated data. Here is there. Here is some amount they mentioned. Subscription amount is there. Some based on education institution, they will give some percentage discount also. Will get the in a subscription user ID password. Next, we go for capital line, because this capital line, anyway, capital line. Why we go for in capital line? A bridge between to you and your financial decision. It is available It is available for all financial database. It is there. Capital line plus. Hello. Sorry. Okay. The capital line plus. Dear participants, please, we are requesting, please mute. Respected sir and madam, please put mute. Capital line, in this capital line website, apart from in NSC, BSc, we go for capital line database, because magazine also it is available, capital line magazine. Hard copy is there, soft copy is there. We going to subscribe. A number of institution, it is a subscribed data portal login. This data portal login is there. Through the login, we going to gather the information, we'll get the data. That data is a reliable data. In NAV is there, large, in mid cap, small cap, large cap, capitalization companies in S&P, Standard and Poor's, or Fortune 500 companies, all the companies' data is there. That is a reliable data. We're going to do that in a number of research through this database, Capital Line database. Next is one ultimate. They give us Sage journal, because this journal they give us when they modified, because due to COVID-19, what of campus access method, remote access, thus Sage journal offered free, full and full free. Because yesterday only I created account, because I'm referring in monthly once, but I got this information in earlier previous week. I got it because 26 only they mentioned this before Monday, the Friday only they mentioned we go for in the next week free access. This free access is there. We're going to click this site. This user can register for personal account. Personally, we're going to register. Through that, we're going to access all the journals. All the title we're going to refer without payment, because they given in Sage, because due to COVID-19 we're going to give the thanks to the Sage journal. Another database is there in another sources. It is there for institutional level organizational resources, International Monetary Fund. This data also we're going to take. That data we're going to derive in some statistical tools. That we're going to derive in present what is scenario is going on. We're going to write the paper. We'll submit the Scopus, because this data is a realistic data. No one they will oppose this data, because the reliable data, it is sourceable, it is available. Global Financial, the Stability Report, the World Economic Outlook, the Physical Monitor is there. In IMF, in Finances is there. In Currency Unit, it is app also it is available. International, the Monetary Fund app also it is available, but is some extent is free sources is there. We can refer. The statistical data is there. All the in Excel sheet it is available. We can refer, because it will take time. In around half an hour it will take time, because all those things we can't explain. I'm showing this all those things. Please, all the participants, please, we are going to refer. We'll refer in future. Next, we go for in World Bank. The World Bank open data. The World Bank open data is there. The World Bank open data. In this data, it is available. All the charts. All the charts is there. In this chart, we are going to use Excel sheet also. It is available. All the database already here available. Each and every month, every date wise they give us. In this data bank, home data bank, in micro data catalog is there. The data catalog, through that we are going to get the information from World Bank. In all words, any word, we are going to search, we'll get the data. Data on statistical capacity, world data, World Bank open data, World Development Report 2021. It is there. In a data types, time series data is there, micro data is there. Here, in what are the countries is there. In East Asia, European country, Latin country, Middle East country, North, South, all the countries is there. We are going to refer. Easily we'll gather the data. It is free. The open sources only. Because this data they are giving for in Research Scholar, World Development Indicator, the Globe Development Finance, African Development Indicators, and Global Economic Monitor, Education Statistics, Health, Nutrition and Population Statistics, Millennium Development Indicator, Gender Statistics, Census data also it is available here. International Comparison Program, Joint External Data Hub, the Logistics Performance Index, LPI, Logistics Performance Index also, it is available here in this data catalog. Next, we go for another one sources. In this sources for Reserve Bank database on Indian economy. The Reserve Bank sources, it is there in all the data, it is available, but we going to refer the Economic Watch or database of Indian economy. What are the banking oriented, non-performance oriented data is there. Or in camel analysis, I'm telling that in simple analysis, in the depth analysis, it is available here. All those data is there. We going to use the in present scenario, how we going to utilize in our research. Next database, the open sources, OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, established in the year of 1961. The membership of 35 above the countries is a membership. Here, the boost development, the raising the living standard, the maintain in financial stability, adjust other countries' economic development, and contribute to growth in world trade and export import. Everything is data. It is available here. We are going to refer in this data. We'll gather the information. We are going to do that in good research. That research definitely it will go for in Scopus or UGC listed journals or Web of Science. Definitely will get in acceptance. There is no doubt, because our data is good, our content is good, our reference is good, our title is good, everything is good, because already we are referred. N number of data already it is available here. N number of sources is available here. We are correlating what we are selected. Everything we are correlating. We are going to do that new things. Then only we will get the select for the each and every journals. There is no doubt. In World Trade, next we go for in World Trade Organization. The World Trade Organization, this World Trade Organization also is one of the management and institutional resources they are giving, is one of the best references. The documentation and resources. In this documentation and resources, WTO online systems, documents in online is there, in facilities and meetings and statistics is there, economic research and analysis and publication is there. In this publication, we are going to refer here, find by category subject, find by title, online, bookshop, WTO, bookshop and Geneva. It is there, audio, video, broadcasting, it is there, photo galleries is there, because photo galleries also we are going to use, because the third sources of our research. Primary sources, secondary sources, apart from secondary sources, the tertiary sources, one of the photos. In WTO library also it is there, monograph, many monograph is there, 40,000 and above monograph is there here. We are going to refer. And AIMA, All India Management Association, the AIMA also, it is available here, a number of report. In this report also, we are going to use, it is helping the Indian manager to make the most of the new opportunities. The global challenging opportunities, perspectives and equipping the Indian manager. Yes, that is a manager means is a good manager. Here it is available, the spreading management thought, n number of thought, n number of case studies, n number of in news, n number of in case port is there. Here it is available. We can avail, we can search, we can get from this particular site. The library is there, the research report and publication. Report and publication is there. We can refer. Otherwise, we are going to contact. They will give to us. There is no doubt. Because this is an authenticated management resources. Next, we go for in National Institute of Financial Management. The National Institute of Financial Management is there. Arun Jaitley National Institute of Financial Management, an autonomous institution of Ministry of Finance, the Government of India. Here, research is there. In this research, we can avail. In publication is there. Here also, there one journal is there. In one journal is there. We are going to try to publish our paper also here in Arun Jaitley National Institute of Financial Management. It is listing with the UGC CAT. There is no doubt. But here, what I'm going to tell, in research is there here. In this research, will available in download. A number of report is there. Through the report also, we'll gather the data from here. Next, the controller and auditor general. The controller and auditor general, it is very, very helpful. This controller and auditor general. This to promote excellence in public sector and audit accounting services towards improving and quality governance, enhance accountability and executive to the parliament and state legislature by carrying out the audit and public sector. All the data is there here. We can refer the monitor media coverage, the news leading, all the audit report, it is there. Here, sources is there. In these sources, we can refer. It will get. We're going to correlate our the data also. Here, audit report is there, union report, the state report, the local bodies and audit report, complaints and audit report, the financial audit report, the performance audit report. Any of the one report we're going to click, we'll gather the data. In this data, we're going to write one article. Definitely, this is an authenticated sources. There is no doubt. Another we go for in Indian Institute of Public Finance. The banking finance is there. In the Indian Institute of Banking Finance, this is a number of the thought they give us as in a forum, in the public forum. A number of article is there. The research collaboration is there. We can refer. We'll gather the information. Present. What is the scenario? What they're doing in present working paper. Okay, we won't copy. We won't ditto same thing we want to do. But we're going to gather the information for reference. Okay, this reference I am gathering, I'm going to do in good things for my research. 100% it will come for good output. There is no doubt. Another, we go for in executive education in Harvard Business School. Harvard Business Schools as a number of thought they give us is a participant stories. We can refer from participants' stories in this. The stories from participants, a number of stories they derived, a number of content it is there. We can refer here. We can refer here. The business analytics is there, digital transformation, family business, finance. It is available in finance. I click there, finance. We can refer here. 39 result found, A to Z. This is a new things, new topics. This is a present scenario. In 2015, they give us in global. We're going to refer. Okay, what they derive in this content, how we going to correlate the data here in this particular topic. It is definitely will gather the information from Harvard Business School. We're going to derive in good thesis, good articles. There is no doubt. Next, we go for Indian School of Business. The Indian School of Business, it is there in research. Here, the research is there, research initiatives. In this research directory is there. The research, digital identity research initiatives. The Indian data portal is there. Okay. In this research, we are going to refer here n number of publication is there. In this publication, we are going to refer it is the data. It is relating for us. We go how we going to derive the data. It is how the helpful what extent the helpful for the our research. We are going to use this particular site, Indian School of Business. The research directory is there. Year, faculty, research center, institution, research types. It is there. We can refer in particular site. We will gather the information. The next we go for, because this is a institution sources. We are earlier referred the website resources. This is a institution resources. IFMR, Institute of Financial Management Research, because the Kara University, the Graduate School of Business, the joint venture, the program, faculty, the research is there. Working paper, the Journal of Emerging, the Market Finance. We are going to refer the Journal of Emerging Market Finance. This is a very wonderful journal. This journal also is attached with the church journals. There is no doubt. It is there in data working paper. We are going to refer the working paper. Working paper is there. In this working papers, in workplaces, or n number of title is there. In this title, it is relating for our research, or otherwise we are going to refer. What extent we are going to give the output in particular website, our research. We are going to do it. Next, we go for the National Institute of Public Finance and Policy. The National Institute of the Public Finance and Policy, it is there. It is helpful for the good research. In this research, it is available. We are going to gather the information. Here, library is there. In this library, going to all the participants. We are going to refer in administrative science in quarterly, in economic association in quarterly. A number of journals is there. Journals, the reference purpose. We are going to refer all the journals. Definitely, we will going to give the in good research. In books is there, one pages, project, in reports, working papers. Next, in earlier we are discussed about the in Google Scholar. Google Scholar, it is there. Through this Google Scholar, we are going to create the one account, my profile. We go for my profile, or we create the login. We are going to create the login here, but they won't accept in this Google Scholar. They won't accept in personal email. They will accept only for institution ID only, institution email only. They will accept. Otherwise, they won't accept. The affiliation we will give in area of interest, home page. We'll create article and setting. We'll create what are the article we are published. We will search for in Google Scholar. Easily we are going to gather the information. Automatically, they will add all the article. It will come for our account. There is no doubt. The Google Scholar, it is helpful for H-index. Next, we go for the National Bureau of Economic Research. The National Bureau of Economic Research, it is helpful for the reference. The national in conducting in a disseminating or the economic research in the business cycle and dating information. What are the data is there? The new this week and working papers. What are the paper is there? In YouTube also they joined with all the videos. It is available. The news available. In this news, we are going to link with our reviews also, because this news it is relating to our research problem. this particular content, it is relating to our research, our data. We're going to refer this particular website. Definitely it is helpful. National Bureau of Economic Research. Next, we go for IIPF. IIPF, it is very useful. International Institute of Public Finance. International Institute of Public Finance, it is very useful. It is there in membership is there, but apart from membership, we going to get the in a library access. We'll get the once we'll get the membership, we can do that in membership here itself. We'll do access in user ID password. They will give in a number of content, a number of article, a number of books, magazine, journals, all those things we can refer here itself. There is no doubt. It is very useful, very authenticated data. Next we go for this Institute of International Finance. Institute of International Finance research is there. In this research, we go for in macro views, global macro views, economic views, macro notes, weekly insight, and any broadcast is there, global economic monitor, or any trackers. The report, it is available here. We going to refer, we'll gather the data. This data, we can refer our review of literature. We going to refer our thesis. We going to refer our research paper. There is no doubt. 3 months, we going to create one target 3 months once. I'm going to say, for example, I'm going to publish one article 3 months or 6 months once, one article I'm going to publish. Means we going to refer definitely this type of websites. Through that only we'll gather the n number of knowledge it is there. Already we know, already we are experienced, but apart from that present scenario, what is going on, it is available here. All those things, updated data, it is there. We can avail. Next, we go for another institutions. We will know about this institute, IIM Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad, it is there. Many more content it is there. We can refer this site. We'll get the information. We going to create. We going to get them in a user ID login also here itself. It is why? Because it is one library is there. In this library, Vikram, that library, it is helpful for this library IIM Ahmedabad library. Digital collection, the physical collection, journals, database, all those things, it is available here. We're going to search for the digital article, books, authors, topics, etc. All those things it is there. In account login is there. We're going to purchase. How we going to purchase? How going to renew? Here itself. We are not in Ahmedabad. We are there in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, or in Pune, or wherever we going to sit, but we going to access here itself. They will give us in Android app. Through app only, we going to travel. We going to do that in any other work. Through that only, we going to access our article. What we going to do? 1 hour daily, we going to refer. Yes, relating our research problem, it is available or not. Everything it is there. In a research assistance is there. Request for an article and book chapter, in subject guide, request for research training orientation, support tools and database. Please, all the participation, I am requesting research support and tools database. It is there. They time to time they will change. They will give us some tools. In globally, as a researcher, what are the tools, statistical tools they using? What are they in a reference manager they using? Everything it is available. How we going to synchronize? How we make the easy for our research? It is everything. It is available here. We are going to utilize in a very excellent manner. Next, we go for, it is a science, that is a science institute only. It is not in relating to the our in business forum. It is a science oriented. This science oriented, this site is name is TEIN3, the Research and Education Network for Asian Pacific, Asia Pacific Trans Eurasia Information Network. The provides, it is a dedicated high capacity internet connectivity for research and education communities. We can create one community here. It is definitely, it is helpful. Is a number of press kit is there, is watch video is there, project, what is the project is going on, all those things also is there in science oriented. We can refer this website, we'll gather the information, we're going to put our research. Next we go for this KM SharePoint knowledge software is there. The national knowledge network is there. The national knowledge network, it is very helpful. The national knowledge network. This also, it is very useful for the national knowledge network. The national knowledge network also, we're going to refer, we'll gather the information. SharePoint KM software, it is there. This software also, it is very useful for our research. National knowledge network is there. Through that we gather the information. This is one of the National Informatic Center. And SharePoint KM software in Microsoft SharePoint 2010. That is why they use SharePoint. A number of content we going to store or any other things. Suppose in we sharing cloud oriented or sources, it is there. We're going to refer this particular website. We're going to store it. But apart from that, many cloud is there, but it is authenticated as a research. And a global ring network for advanced application development. This also, it is helpful for in a global ring network and advanced application development. This is relating to the in build fiber optic ring networks. It is a science oriented. This is a science oriented. We're going to refer the science people or in electronic engineering or EC, electronic and communication engineering, or in automobile engineering, mechanical engineering. All the scholars, they will avail for this particular websites. Next site is this. This is one of the institution search engine only. We are discussed this one. The Open Knowledge Network. The Open Knowledge Network. This is one of the wonderful search engine. This also, it is helpful for the number of content is there. Open Knowledge Network. We going to create one account also. Through that, a number of people they will gather. We are sharing our information also. We will gather the information from the one research scholar to another research scholar. It is helpful for the Open Knowledge Network. Next, International Association of Universities. International Association of Universities. It is there, the global voice of higher education. It is here itself. Here also, it is the knowledge hub is there. In this knowledge hub, we are going to utilize. We'll gather the information from here. There is no doubt. Next, Commonwealth of Learning. Commonwealth of Learning, the open access repository is there. A number of repositories there, like a Sudganga, like a information library net in UGC, like this. It is there, Commonwealth of Learning. We are going to gather the information from this particular site. The community collection by issue date, authors, title, subject, document type, series, and region. research publication. It is available, is open sources only. It is another one, Asia Pacific Quality Network. This is a quality network. This is one of the knowledge hub. There is no doubt for it. This is a knowledge hub. This is China based. It is very helpful. It is this content. It is very reliable data. Library. It is there. We are going to create the one account. My APQN. My APQN. Through that, we are going to create the one account. Create the account. We are going to gather the knowledge hub. Next, W3C. W3C. This is one of the W3C open web platform. Open web platform. It is content is there. In this content, it is a experienced content, rich interactive experience powered by the vast data stores. All the any devices. We are going to create the login also because membership they are asking the standard. One standard is there. We are going to click the standard. Through the standard web design application, all the sources data it is there. It is helpful for our research. There is no doubt. All the specification is there. Developer is there. We can avail from this particular website. The leading the web to full potentials. And AIMA. AIMA already we have discussed. Association of Indian Universities. Association of Indian Universities is there in a research division. In this research division also, we are going to refer time to time or 1 month once. We are going to refer because monthly once they will update. They will update each and every month, end of the month, they will update the research. In this research option, they will update all the information here. What is the present scenario? What are the report is there? Each and every university, what are the research they did, how they focusing the research institution, what are the topic, what are the research problem they did, what are the research problem. That one we are going to refer for our research problem, we are going to correlate. In UNESCO Network for Associated Libraries, UNAL. Sometime this website they won't work. Normally they will work in morning 9 in Indian time, morning 9 to or 11 o'clock night, 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. only they will work because the open yearbook, it is everything it is available in open sources only because UNESCO is a network for associated n number of libraries. We are going to refer this website, not only 10 library, in a leading library in globe, around 95 library is there here, open library, open access here. There is no doubt. But we are going to create one membership or create login. Login is there here. In this login, we are going to create. We create the account. Through that only it is work for this website. And next site is and IIEP. IIEP, it is the United Nations education oriented this website. It is a planning, education and building. This planning, education and building, how they helpful for the IIEP. Information Library Net Center. This is relating to the Sudganga Autonomous Inter-University Center. This also it is helpful for the many sources. It is there in a number of content here. This content it is available for in all the sources. Library automation and consortium. E-consortium is there. Here we are going to click. We gather the information. This information we are going to keep our review of literature because is relating to our research. Our research. We are going to correlate. Yes, earlier how many are they did? Bibliographies. Record document is there in synopsis and thesis. Full text thesis it is available here. In NList, National Library and Information services, infrastructure, and scholarly content. This scholarly content, it is available. Who are eligible? Members login. This members login also they giving, but institution level we going to pay the money. Institution level they pay the money. We going to access a number of content. It is not only once we go for this type of website, definitely 50% of the research we going to complete. There is no doubt, because all the content it is available. We won't copy. We going to refer. How we going to correlate with our research? How we going to best give our research? In a DELNet also it is there. In this DELNet, developing library network, one library to another library. It was started at the India International Center Library in January 1968. It is was the registered 1968 is what registered in 1992. It is very in Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University is developed this wonderful developing library network. One library to another library we able to access. They will give the in a very nominal amount. They will give the access membership user ID password. They will give. And another one is INDEST. This International Coalition of Library in Consortia. This consortia also it is available. It is a number of content here. We are going to refer because Indian National Digital Library in Engineering Science and Technology, Business Management and Marketing, HR, all those things is available because merged in is Sudh Sindhu, because AICT also the funding this particular Sudh Sindhu is a particular things. AICT also the funding. Those who are going to do subscribing in a library, this library of Sudh Sindhu. It is very helpful for the all research scholar and librarian or all faculty members. And NPTEL. This NPTEL, this it is available. This NPTEL is a project funded by MHRD, Government of India. In a number of resources it is there. In courses and videos is there. Video content, lecture content is there. In this content also we going to refer because it is one of the sources. How best, it is main theme is how best we going to give our thesis. How best we going to give our best journal output. In a traditional knowledge digital library. Traditional knowledge digital library also is there. This is a very, very excellent library. That traditional knowledge digital library. It is there in open access also. Some extent they will give. Because this Ayurvedic, Unanic, Siddha in formulation, all the formulation it is helpful. In another thing is, another site is, it is very useful. This site, it is relating scheme of promotion academic for the SPARK. Is scheme for promotion of academic and research collaboration. SPARK aims improving the research and ecosystem of India's higher education institution by the facilitating and academic and research collaboration between Indian institution and the best institution. The 28 selected nation and jointly solve the problem because it is helpful for the project outcomes. Project outcome, many n number of content it is there. How we going to do that? Project proposal submission manual also is there. How we going to derive the one scheme, that also it is available here. This is scheme for promotion of academic and research collaboration. We come to the point impact factor. Outline itself I mentioned. We are gathered n number of content. This content in two. One is a website's content, another one is a institution content. We are discussed. Another we go for in Impact factor. In this impact factor, how we going to refer, how we going to think about the impact factor is improving. Impact factor in 2011 for journal would be calculated as a follow. I am taken in the 2011 year, 11th year, A as the number of times article published in 2009 to 2010 were cited and indexed journal during 2011. B equal to the number of articles, reviews, proceedings or notes published in 2009 to 2010. Impact factor. This impact factor in 2011 equal to A divided by B. That is called as impact factor. But impact factor improving means we will create Google Scholar account. Google Scholar account, first of all, we are going to create because the citation required. Citation, how we going to require? You know, how many are referred our article? How many are referred our name of the article, name of the title article? How many are referred? It will come automatically. How many times they referred? Who referred our article, our content, they kept in their thesis, their in article, they kept in reviews. Based on that, it will come for citation. This is a calculation for impact factor. H index. The H index is an index that attempt to do the measure the both scientific productivity and apprehend the scientific impact of scientists. The index in based on that set of the scientists, the most cited the papers and the number of citation that they received in their people publications. It is best citation, H index. I'm showing all the participants. Please, you look into it, the slide, H index, how they're getting the H index, the more than H citation. The citation, here citation is there, here citation is going on. First H papers, I published it here. Yes, is slowly the improving. Citation is a paper. Yes, moved. 13 members, they reviewed. 13 members, they referred my already published the paper. That paper, that what I derived, what I gave the particular research paper in findings, recommendation, conclusion, and abstract in a statement of the problem. That one, based on that another persons, they referred their article, they kept in review of literature, our name, our article name, our journal name. Based on that, H index, it will improve. Citation, it will improve. In e-journals, UGC Information Library Net Digital Library Consortium, it is there. It is a present data only. Yesterday only I took this PDF. This present data only. In this present data, it is available. American Chemical Society URL is there. Number of journal, number of university. How many universities joined? How many are universities got it the account? Everything it is there. Bibliography database also it is there. Bibliography database, it is a very best database is there in Site Finder, SCI Finder Scholar. SCI Finder Scholar, it is a very best bibliographic database is there. In more or less all those things we are discussed. In JSTOR also we are discussed. Sage is there. In Taylor and Francis is there. And Emerald is there. Everything it is available here. Web of Science. In highly impact factor journals in management, in MIS quarterly, in academic management journals is there. Academic management and reviews there. Organization science, academic science in quarterly, in strategic management journal, the academic management learn education, organization research method. This type of journals is there. Highly impact factor journals in management. In ISI indexed journals with the H index. H index international Journal of Project Management H-Index, published in Europe, ACM transaction in computer human interaction 26 H-Index, USA, the Journal of Knowledge Management 26 Europe, Empirical Economics 24 Europe, Accounting Horizon. Accounting Horizon, around 3 times I sent the paper. I got it, the queries, a number of the queries they sent to me, around 27 queries, the 3 times, again, Accounting Horizon is a free journal. It is very useful, Accounting Horizon. I am trying this particular journal, Accounting Horizon. It is very useful. Participants also, you're going to avail this particular journal. It is very useful, really is free. Accounting Horizon. In a European Management Journal and a Journal of Empirical Finance, European Journal of Marketing, Journal of Environmental Management, the Journal of Financial Service and Research. It is Europe journals. It is a H-Index is a highly is there. In open sources, reference management software. Here, open sources reference management software is there. In this software, how it is helpful for our research, because the first reference manager is there. In a stay on top of your literature, the efficient way to collect the organized and discover. We are going to refer the JEF reference. JEF reference. In this JEF reference, one software is there. We are going to download in a free of cost only. We are going to download any article. We having an article is there. In this article, we are going to add into in this particular website. We are going to get the information. Import option for over 15 reference format, easily retrieve and link full text articles. Complete bibliography information based on ISBN, DOI, digital optic identifier, BUP-MET, ID, everything we will get. There is no doubt. Who already published? Who published? We are taken in already published information or not. Through that, we are going to refer open sources reference management software. Another Manly is there. This is Manly is a famous one. The Manly, the review of literature, we are going to refer. This is a download Manly desktop. Manly is there. This Manly, it is helpful for free reference manager citation generator. It is very helpful. This citation has been in word to word and page to page and paper to paper and website to website. Next, we go for RefBase. RefBase. In this RefBase, it is available RefBase web reference database. WebBase it is called as a web reference database. This web reference database, it is available. It is, yes, online sources, it is available. It is available online sources. It is free of cost. There is no doubt you won't pay any single rupee because it is authenticated. JEF reference I am using, JITRO I am using, Manly I am using because I did a number of times experiment. That's what I am telling. You won't pay anything. We are going to avail. We are going to demo also is there. We can't do that. That things means it is a demo available in that website. In video it is available. We are going to listen in just 1 minute. We'll gather the information. We are going to do that. In RefDB, it is there. RefDB, it is available. Source in this sources homepage is general public license. It is a PDF oriented, HTML oriented, DOC oriented, image oriented also it is available. We are going to refer. Just we having in one article, In this article, you put into the, in particular, in open sources reference management software, we're going to download, will install your desktop or in your personal computer, we'll install, we'll create the one account. Through the account, we're going to put it into the, in this add in a Word document or Word document, PDF document based on in a reference manager. Next, Jitro. In this Jitro also it is helpful. Jitro download. This Jitro download your personal research assistant. One person it is there. Like this, we are going to think. Each and every researcher or faculty members, we are going to refer from this open reference manager. It is available another one person, one assistant with us. They will refer, they will identify, they will tell us this is error. They will identify, they will tell this is definitely this is error. We are going to change. It is available open sources only.
One more
Next, EndNote. EndNote. EndNote is there. EndNote is a very collaborative analytics. The industry standard, the software tools for publishing and managing bibliographic citation and references on the Windows and desktop. It is available. It is a very commercial reference management software package used to the manage bibliographies and references when writing essays, when writing in report, when writing articles. It is helpful for the EndNote. It is very excellent software for EndNote because n number of researcher nowadays using EndNote and Jitro. But easily we are going to use Manly. Easily we are going to use and JepRef. Another also it is available REFN. Another also it is available. I have not mentioned REF-n-write.com. REF-n-write.com. That also is one of the best reference manager. It is available. Is present. Present is nowadays is very famous. REF-n-write.com. Trial version is there. We are going to avail. Demo also is there. We are going to keep our article in a desktop or in a E drive or D drive or F drive, whatever it is, we are going to keep and we are going to add, we are going to get the information from REF-n-write because they will change. They are going to give the guide for us. How we are going to write, what is the English, what is the grammar, how best we are going to give the particular article, particular thesis. Next, style manuals. In this style manual, anyway, bibliography, we are talking about the bibliography, the citation style for research paper. Which should you use? APA, MLA, AMA, or Tribune, and Chicago. But it is famous APA, MLA. In psychology and education and other social science, literature, arts and humanities. But most probably we are using in APA and MLA. But APA citation style, it is authors and value and date, pages, title of book, place of publication, title of articles and publisher, title of periodical, other information. At the end, after in conclusion, we are going to give this type of information we are deriving. Definitely, they will refer our articles or our thesis. They will refer. Definitely, we are a good researcher. They will tell us as a good researcher. There is no doubt. And books how we going to derive? The based on in a name and year and history, that particular title, and in a publisher, in a book article or chapters, in encyclopedia articles, and in ERIC documents, in websites, and MLA citation articles. MLA citation articles is there. We're going to give the MLA citation articles in newspapers and magazines. We're going to change and book encyclopedia articles. Thank you very much. Thank you all the participants in very passion and listened here. Really, I'm very thankful to all the participants. Seriously, I'm given some sites and reference oriented I given. Really, thank you very much. Thanks for the organizer. Thanks, madam.
They better change the strategy. What is he doing? Same way he's bowling. Did Kohli ran to him? All should run. Raj should run.
So thank you so much. It was really a thoughtful session, and we gained so much knowledge from this session. I'm so happy to be part of this session. Thank you so much. Kindly share the PPT so that it will be very useful for us.
Really, madam. Thank you, madam. Really, I will share all the content. I will share, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I'm happy that I'm part of the session, gained so much knowledge from this.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Request participants to share their feedback, any queries pertaining to this session or in general about FDP. We would be great to hear from you.
Kind request. Please do organize so many sessions like this so that the emerging research scholars will gain so much knowledge from this.
Great. Surely, we will take your points, surely. And this was very thoughtful, actually, that to help out the budding researchers. And I'm very happy that many of you are there here, and in spite of your busy time and occupying yourself at home, still you are able to do this. I'm really honored that you people are encouraging and liking this. So this is such a good reason for us again to do something little advanced. That is what is already in the planning stage, which we are trying to do.
Good evening, ma'am. Deepti here.
Yes, madam. Please go ahead.
All the sessions were truly fantastic, and especially for the first time, really, I could understand exactly what statistics is, especially in Padmaja ma'am's session. And sir's session was truly ultimate, and almost all the sessions, ma'am, even yesterday also, because many times even I wanted to know about grants, and also I was not getting any information, especially about grants and how to approach for it. So
Okay.
Really, ma'am, each and every session was truly well organized, very systematic, and truly fantastic. Hats off to the organizers and also all the resource persons, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thanks for your feedback.
May I come in?
Yes, madam. Please go ahead.
This is Professor Sonal Muluk. I am from MIT Pune.
Yes, madam.
When I come to know about this FDP, I thought that the regular FDP everybody is trying to convey about the research paper. Same thing will be there in this research FDP as well. But then I realized that the 5 days FDP program has been launched, and
Yes, madam. Your voice is not audible.
Is it audible now? Am I audible, ma'am? Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, madam. Sonal, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any trouble, technical issue?
I found it very interesting when we started with the FDP, how to structure research paper by Dr. Rahul sir, and it was really wonderful session. Even the Ranganatham sir, he explained about the Excel sheet and the calculation statistical part. It was really helpful for us.
I guess there is some technical issue. If anybody else are in the line to share the feedback, please go ahead.
Okay. I think there was some network issue at my end. Now, is it audible for you?
Yes, madam, it is audible.
Okay.
Audible, ma'am.
I thought I'm not audible. Thank you.
No, you are audible. No problem.
Then
Venkatesan sir, am I audible?
Madam, yes, madam, audible, madam. Audible, madam.
Am I audible, sir?
Madam, audible, madam. Yes, madam. I'm hearing your voice, madam.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to hear you.
Yes, madam. Audible,
Yes,
madam.
yes.
It is audible, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Audible, madam.
Padmaja ma'am also taught us the Jamvi software, and it was something new for me. I was not aware about this, and really it was very helpful for me.
Fine. Others can share their experience. If anybody is interested to, please. Shall we conclude? Anybody would like to unmute and share the experience? Otherwise, we'll conclude the session here.
Yeah, madam, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes,
Thank you,
audible.
Venkatesan sir, for
Audible,
such a
ma'am.
wonderful session. You have really given so much of information and insight into various online information sources, EBSCO, JSTOR, Emerald. You have really done a research on providing such information to the participants. I think there's a wonderful effort from your side. Thank you once again for such wonderful and insightful session, Dr. Venkatesan.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
And as wonderful participants have shared their feedback, I would like to say that we will take it to the advanced level of FDP next level, where we can look at more analysis sessions, or some of you have already requested that you wanted at length sessions on practicing of the Excel, which we can always try and do. Jamovi software was one thing which you could learn. So we would try and see whether we can have a webinar of 2 to 3 hours of hands-on session, or shall we have another 5 days FDP identifying the gray areas where researchers really need help, especially the research scholars and project students and faculty themselves, and even the PhD students also might be looking forward to. We'll surely try and organize. I'm sure that with all your inputs, we'll be able to do more such sessions. And when we were conceptualizing, myself and Dr. Venkatesan, we were really thinking that let us not call it that we have organized one session and participants will call that we have participated in one session. Let us help the participants that at the end of the session, the FDP session, they should be able to start writing a research paper and publish it. That was one idea which we started the session. And I really hope that at least some insight we are able to provide to you. I'm sure that we wanted you to publish good papers with good quality research and go into high impact journals and create a good career in your research, because now teachers and as well as they have to be researchers. Look at NAC or look at your own career advancement. This has become now inevitable now. So let us accept the change and keep on moving. And with this, on behalf of Sanskriti Group of Institutions, Sanskriti School of Business, I extend my gratitude to all the resource people who shared their knowledge and expertise with the participants in the FDP. Day 1, we had a resource person, Dr. Rahul Vishwanath, Associate Professor and Dean, Automobile Engineering Department, Rajendra Mane College of Engineering Technology, Ratnagiri. He helped us to learn about how to write and publish a research paper. Shortly, we are going to upload it in the YouTube also so that you can view and listen to Sir on live and pause wherever you want to learn and take the information. So we'll try to upload all these sessions also into YouTube, so it will be helpful for you to again experience what you have gone through. And day 2, it was Professor Ranganathan. He helped us to learn how to analyze the data using Excel. Sir has shared a couple of documents which we have mailed to your respective mails. Please kindly look into it and use the documents accordingly. Day 3 session was handled by Professor Padmaja. She helped us to learn analyzing data using Geomobi software, which was again hands-on, and we were very happy organizers that you people were able to understand and execute simultaneously. And day 4 session was handled by CMA Dr. Natika Podar. She's Associate Professor and Francis Institute of Management and Research, PG recognized faculty, and PhD guide in Management Studies for University of Mumbai. She took us through the journey of how to make a research proposal leading to a research paper, which was a wonderful presentation and very, very insightful. Of course, today's session by Dr. Venkatesan was outstanding, giving all the information in a nutshell of how to browse. Many of the time we think everything is paid and we limit ourselves. So much of research Sir has done in putting across all the relevant information for you people. And surely we'll share the PPT also with you. Whenever you want to browse for the information, please make use of the resources so that it will save your time and energy and make your research fast. In spite of pandemic and busy work schedules, all the faculty, because this is a wonderful forum, virtual dayas where we are interacting with each other, you have taken your time out to be present in the FDP, and I extend my thanks to all the participants for being such a support, and because of you people only we are able to conduct the program. I thank Mr. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, our chairman, Sanskriti Group of Institution, for constantly rendering his support and constantly motivating us to do more and more sessions which are helpful for the faculty. And I thank our technical team, Mr. Sai Kumar, who has been supporting us to put up this program, technically supporting us to organize and run this FDP program. I thank all the faculty members who are moderators, who by name, each one of our faculty members has really supported us in organizing this. Prashanti Madam, Pranavashri, Rajesh Sir, Jainandini, everybody has done their best in making this successful. I thank the Almighty for helping us to conceptualize this FDP for the benefit of the budding researchers. With this note, I really thank everybody who are out there and who are really experiencing this and who are part of this learning journey. And I really hope that we will plan more and more sessions like this. And we'll surely ensure that you are coming out as good researchers with whatever bit we could convey to you. Thank you very much. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dr. Rahul is present. If you want to add any closing remarks, Dr. Rahul.
Yeah, good evening to everyone. It was really a wonderful.
Our day 1 resource person is available. Anything you want to add? Shall we close the session?
Yes. Just I want to thank everyone, all the participants and organizers for this wonderful workshop, and hope to get associated with Sanskriti School of Business for many more such events. Thank you, Venkatesan sir.
Thank you so much.
Bala ma'am, Koteshwari ma'am, and thank you all the participants. Thank you very much.